What's up? It's your boy Jeffro, aka the Superstar. You know what I'm saying? Just got through working on this 1998 Ford Escort, and had a little trouble with the starter. You know what I'm saying? Taking that thing off. It's just talking to you about what it is. It's the starter. When I first started working on it, it was cold than a mother, so I really couldn't get into it all the way. You know what I'm saying? Had like 3 bolts on it. 1, 2, 3. Then it had these things in the back. I got this one off, and then I was trying to pull it off. It wouldn't come off, and figured it had one on this one. I took that off, thinking it's all good. It was on my second day working on it in the cold. Thinking it's all good and all, and realized that it still wouldn't come off. So I just waited, and it started raining when it did get warm. So I went on down there, got me some cardboard boxes laid on them, and realized that it had one more screw right there. And went on ahead and took that off, and I had to take the alternator off just to get to it where I could see it and all. But yeah. That was what's up though, man. It was pretty tough, pretty rough on me, you know what I'm saying? Like, I got small hands, I can pretty much bear through the tight situation, but it was located like in the back upper motor, so it's pretty hard to get to. I ain't gonna show y'all how to take it off or nothing like that. I'm just explaining what was going on with that there. Support your boy channel by punching the subscribe button. Hit the notification button to be notified of all new content that I do have. I'm planning on doing some big things in 2018 if everything, Lord willing, everything goes right, But that's my time. Y'all take it easy.